I think that it's super cute. Ma, yeah, you're making a lot of noise. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're in a different location because today I'm going to be showing you guys 7 outfits of the week. I just put together 7 outfits for Monday through Sunday, and I'm just going to show you guys what I would wear for each day. I'm not actually going anywhere with these outfits on, but if I had somewhere to go, then these are what I would wear on those days. So I'm just going to be showing you guys all of my outfits. And yeah, another disclaimer, pretty much everything that I wear is thrifted. So you can pretty much assume that everything in each outfit is thrifted except for my shoes. None of my shoes are thrifted, but even though they're thrifted, that doesn't mean you can't use them as like outfit inspiration if you want to go thrifting, or even if you want to shop at a regular store. So yeah, let's get into it. So to start with outfit 1 for Monday, I kept it super casual, super baggy since it's Monday. I have on this, I think it's a 2 or 3X black, like super huge oversized black t-shirt. It's just this ribbed knit fabric. I don't know if you can tell. I thrifted it a few days ago and I thought it was super cute. The way that I styled it, I just tucked it in on one side so that it'll have some shape, to give me some shape, since my pants are also like 3X or 2X. On top of that, I have a really cute little denim jean jacket. It's kind of washed out, like they're not the same black, but I don't really mind that. For pants, I have on these huge black cargo sweatpants, and they kind of like have elastic around the ankle, which I think is really cute. For shoes, I have on these really super cute blue Jordans. I think that they're a nice pop of color with this outfit since it's majority black. For accessories, I'm carrying this little jelly purse. I showed it in a haul a long time ago, I think, like a thrift haul, but it just looks like this up close. It is also a different shade of blue than the shoes, but I don't mind that just because I think that it still pulls the outfit together. But it's this little blue jelly purse. It's small, but it also has like a long shoulder bag, but I think that it really just ties the whole outfit together. As for jewelry, I know I keep it simple with my little necklace that Deshaun got me. For rings, I have on 6 rings. These 3 right here I actually handmade myself out of boredom. Like, I learned how to do it on TikTok. But these are like, I'm trying to make these like my everyday rings because I think they're super cute. Just a little brown one, a blue and gold one, and then a yellowish gold one. And then on my left hand, engagement ring, this little simple squiggly ring, and then another one that I made that's just brown with 2 little red beads. And that's pretty much all for that. I have this choker necklace around my wrist. I was gonna wear it, but I didn't like how it looked, so I took it off. So this is I just wrapped it around my wrist. I thought it was kind of cute, so I left it on there. And then on my left wrist, I have a little tennis bracelet that's super cute. And yeah, pretty much that's the whole outfit for Monday. I like to keep it super casual on Mondays because, you know, Mondays are like bleh. So yeah, we kept it super comfortable, super casual. Let's go to outfit for Tuesday. Outfit number 2, aka Tuesday. I have a lot more of a slightly dressed up kind of look. Starting out with the top, I have this thrifted cashmere sweater. It is actually 100% real cashmere, which is really crazy, you know. But it's just this little tan color. It's kind of has a little bit of midriff. Honestly, it's a little bit short on my arms, but I don't care, I bought it anyways. For pants, I just have these super light washed denim jeans. They're a good couple of sizes bigger than me, but I like how they fit. They're like baggy, but they kind of stop on my hips. And on top of this, I plan on wearing this little brown faux leather jacket that I thrifted. For shoes, I'm just have on my my platform Docs. I can never remember the super long name of these Docs, so I'm gonna put it on screen like I always do because I can never remember the name. But I have my platform Docs on, and that's pretty much the fit. For accessories, I have the same 6 rings on that I had on in the last outfit. And for the purse, I'm wearing this little sequins mini chain purse. It's small, and I like how it looks. It's like super dainty, and it kind of goes with the brown tan vibe. Yeah, they're different browns. This looks really good with the docs though, so yeah. For earrings, I'm gonna be wearing pretty much the same earrings in every outfit. It's just these little chain hoops that are really cute. That are really cute and casual. So yeah, this is pretty much this whole outfit. I think it is super cute. It kind of gives a little bit of a I care more about what I'm wearing kind of feel, but not like I'm trying super hard, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, this is the whole outfit. I think that it's really cute. Okay, day 3, aka Wednesday. This is the 3rd outfit. This one has more of a like secret agent undercover type of feel, if you ask me. It's all black. Literally the whole fit's all black. I have this cute little 100% leather thrifted jacket over top. Everybody keeps telling me it reminds them of like the Michael Jackson jacket from the Bad video. And underneath it's just a regular ribbed black turtleneck. Super nice, also thrifted. Simple necklace. For pants, I have on these high-waisted black mom jeans. They are just regular plain old mom jeans. For shoes, I have on my Jordan 11s. I just started wearing these like a lot, like wearing these more. I had them for a while, but now I'm really starting to wear them more, fit them into my style a little bit more. For jewelry and accessories, for the bag, I have this relic little, I don't know, like I want to say it's kind of like a what are they called, like a fanny pack, like you wear it like that because it's an over the shoulder type, like you can wear it like, but it's like huge. So it's a 1-strap black 100% leather bag I thrifted a long time ago that I love. It's super cute. For jewelry, I have on my regular dainty necklace in same 6 rings. I'll pretty much be wearing these rings in every outfit. I'm also going to be wearing these earrings in every outfit because I don't really change my earrings. When I dance, I wear smaller hoops than these, but on like a regular day, I wear these ones. And yeah, this is the whole outfit. I think that is super cute. Like I said, the all black kind of gives me like undercover vibes. I think that's super cute. And this could pretty much be dressed up if you wanted to wear heels with it. I have tennis shoes on with it. But if you wanted to dress it up with heels, then that would be nice as well. Let's move on to outfit number 4/Thursday. On to outfit number 4, aka Thursday. This outfit is super street style-esque. For the top, I just have this 3X long sleeved Kids See Ghost t-shirt that I got off Depop. It was album merch. It just has this cool graphic on the back, and I think that it's super cute. It's huge. I really enjoy, like, I don't know if I can tell, I really like wearing really big clothes. I like how it looks, especially when I'm going for like more of a street style look. I'll wear a lot of oversized clothes, so I love this. This top is really nice. For the pants, I have on these blue corduroy, like, I don't know, they're straight leg pants. They're just blue corduroy straight leg pants. They kind of have a little bit of a shine to them, I think, and I think that's super cute. For my shoes, I have on these custom Adidas. Deshaun got me Chris Brown custom Adidas for our anniversary, I think 2 years ago. They're just white shell toes. I put the black laces in because I feel like it matched the graphic really nice. But I think the purple and the blues from the picture really go with these pants and tie the whole thing together. For accessories, I have same 6 rings, same necklace, same earrings. For the purse, I have this little, I call it like a paper bag, lunch type style purse, because that's pretty much what it's shaped like. It's really small, easy to carry. It has the long strap and the short strap as well. I always carry it with the short strap. But it's really nice. I feel like it's like just big enough and just small enough to hold everything that I need. So this is actually like one of my everyday purses that I wear. And I think that it matched the black from the words on the shirt and the shoelaces on my shoes really well. So yeah, that's the whole outfit for today. Okay, outfit number 5. Yeah, outfit number 5. This is my Friday outfit. It is super cute, also streetwear vibes. It's kind of laid back. I have on this oversized white, this off-white cream rib knit sweater. It's just oversized as usual. For pants, I have on these camo pants that I thrifted out of the the men's section, which was like a big find for me. I never find camo pants at the thrift store ever, but they're really cute. Yeah. And then for my shoes, I just have on my gold, I think that they're the gold Jordan 7s that I have on. They're cute too. They're super comfortable. For accessories, for my purse, I have this really cute little brown handbag that I thrifted. It just looks like this. I don't know if it's real or fake leather, but I think that it's really nice and cute. It matches a lot of my brown outfits, so I like that. Same jewelry as before. Two things that I don't know if I like them or not. I have this brown velvet, like the thick headband, and I put it on with this and I was like, it looks cute, I guess, with my hair, but I don't know if I like it with this whole outfit. You guys can let me know in the comments if you do or don't like the headband. Like, would you wear the headband or no? And then another piece of like accessory that I don't know if I like or not, I was gonna put these little sunglasses with it because they're tortoise shell, and they're really cute. I think, can you stop texting? So I don't know if I like the sunglasses or the headband, but I think that it could still be cute. You can let me know down below if you like the glasses and the headband with it. And yeah, this outfit is streetwear but casual. You know, you can still go out wearing this outfit. That's why I picked it for Friday, because honestly, this could be nice. You want to go to a movie, or go out to lunch, or like a little dinner, casual dinner with your friends or something. It's not sunny where I live at, but I like the sunglasses, so you get it. And yeah, I think that this is super cute. We're now gonna move on to outfit number 6, aka Saturday. Okay, for outfit number 6, aka Saturday, I have a super cute kind of streetwear look as well. Starting off, I have this crew neck that I thrifted. It kind of has like the foresty, I want to say like Duck Dynasty type print on it, with the leaves and the trees, like branches and stuff on it. And then for the pants, I have these high-waisted, like super puffy trouser, like slack pants that I thrifted a long time ago. They're just tan. Everything is like super muted and like the same color palette. For shoes, I just have on my platform Docs again. For accessories, same rings, same necklace, same earrings. For the bag, I have this what is it called, fanny pack of sort of the same print that I thrifted. I thought it was super cute and it matched really nice. This strap, like everything is just super color coordinated, which I really like in this case. So this is the bag that I have on with it. And yes, I feel like this is a super like Saturday night out type of outfit. You can go hang out with your friends. Looks really put together, but it's actually a super chill outfit. So yeah, we got one day left. Let's go to outfit for Sunday. All right, y'all, we've made it to the final outfit, aka Sunday's outfit. It's super comfy, super chill. I just have on some gray sweats. I have this dark gray washed t-shirt. It just says Gillies on it, Las Vegas. I don't know if it's Gillies or Jillies. It's okay. I have this nice t-shirt on. I have on these like tall, dark gray tube socks, sort of. And then I have on some white Air Forces. They're mid-rise. If it were my decision, I would probably have gotten like low-rise, but these were given to me, so I'm not complaining about them. They're very clean, and I'm happy about that, because the other ones that I have are really messy. For accessories, I have a super cute little black leather mini bag that I've thrifted, and then I have on my same rings and same jewelry. I love this outfit because it's pretty much one tone. It's all gray, which is really nice. I don't wear a lot of gray actually, so this is actually out of my comfort zone for me because the socks are dark, the shirt is darker, the pants are lighter gray, and then the white shoes kind of just tops it all off. And the mini bag keeps it super casual. You know, people don't really do stuff on Sundays. I mean, I have dance practice on Sundays, but I know other people like relax and stuff on Sundays. So that's why I went for a more chillaxed outfit. And yeah, that is all. So that's all for this video today, guys. I hope you all really enjoyed it. Make sure that you give this video your thumbs. Hit the subscribe button down below if you have not already. And also comment down below which outfit might have been your favorite, any videos you might want to see from me. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time that I post a new video. I also want to make sure you guys follow me on my social media. That will be in the beginning of this video, at the end of this video, and in the description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.